In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu color on your WordPress website. Customizing your menu's appearance is a simple yet effective way to align your website with your brand and make it visually appealing to your visitors. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or update your site's design, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process from start to finish. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, you'll find it easy to follow along. Let's get started. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to create one and begin customizing your site. First, open your WordPress website in your preferred web browser. Once the site has loaded, locate the login option. This is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can begin the authentication process. On the login page, you'll see several options to access your account. For this tutorial, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This method is quick and secure, as it uses your Google account credentials to log you in without the need to remember additional usernames or passwords. Next, you'll need to select the Google account you'd like to use. If you're logged into multiple accounts, you'll see a list. Simply click on the one you'd like to connect with WordPress. Once selected, WordPress will authenticate your credentials and take you directly to your account dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. It's typically displayed prominently on the main page. Under Quick Links, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this to transition into the live editing environment for your WordPress website, where all the design customizations happen. Once you're in the site editor, click anywhere on your website preview to make sure you're actively in editing mode. This step is important because it ensures that any changes you make will apply to your current page and are immediately reflected in the preview. From here, focus on the menu area at the top of your website. This is where we'll be making the changes. Click directly on the menu to open its editing options. When you do this, you'll see an edit option appear right below the menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to modify the design and settings of your menu. In the editing toolbar, locate the gradient icon. It's typically represented by a small icon that looks like a blend of colors. Click on this icon to access the color customization options for your menu. The gradient icon is what allows you to make changes to the background color and other visual elements. Once the gradient settings panel opens, find and click on the background option. This will display a range of color options for you to choose from. Take a moment to explore these options. You can select a color that matches your brand or creates the look you're going for. When you've found a color you like, click on it to apply it to your menu. The change will reflect immediately in the live preview, so you can see exactly how it looks in real time. If you're not satisfied with your first choice, you can always click on another color to try a different option. After selecting your desired color, take a moment to review your changes. Check to ensure that the new menu color matches your overall design and appears as intended. Now, if the changes don't appear right away, don't worry. Simply refresh the page or double-check that you're in the correct editing mode. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes to see your updates. And that's it. You've successfully updated the menu color on your WordPress website. By following these steps, you can easily customize your site's design and make it more appealing to your visitors. If you have any questions about this tutorial or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.